Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's me. It's me again. Like, you all know I love gray. And yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you how to manipulate this hair to make it look sleek or whatever. This hair is from ReadyWig. They like contacted me. They're like, oh yeah, we want to work with you, blah blah blah. So yeah, I got this wig for them. This is like my first ever hair PR, and I'm so excited. Definitely not gonna be the last, but yeah, it's a 24-inch body wig. It's like brown on top and then like gray. Yes, go gray. So this is the packaging that came with the wig, and the name is, as you can see, ReadyWigs. And if I open, it's got a card over here with the details and the social media details. But yeah, this is how the wig looks. It's a 24-inch ombre curly hair. It also came with this flower to stick over, and then a spray bottle. Okay, but whatever. And then this wig cap. Yeah, I prefer the other wig caps, but I would just use that one. This is how it looks. That's how it looks like. Look at that color. Oh my god. So inside it doesn't have any clips. It only has like an adjustable strap, and this is how it looks close by and stuff. But guys, I'm gonna